Hi, welcome back to WJZ at 9. Just talking facts and figures on the Titanic. John, what was your genesis moment where you said, as an entrepreneur, I'm going to put together Titanic, an immersive voyage?
So I've created a lot of Titanic exhibits over the years. I've been working on Titanic for 25 years. But when I created this particular exhibit, I wanted to connect the passengers emotionally to the story like never before. So we started with the question, what were Titanic's final words? I studied all of the Marconi wireless messages, and that goes into that immersive room that's near the end of the show. But here we wanted to also talk about the pop culture influence Titanic has had on all our lives.
Oh, absolutely. There is no question about it. But what was your clarity moment when you said, I'm going to make my life the Titanic, not just this exhibit?
I think that it's because the Titanic story. I studied the classics way back when.
Mm-hmm.
Loved all those tragedies, all those great all those stories of the ancient Greeks and ancient Romans. Titanic is the Greek tragedy of our modern era.
Absolutely.
The more that you get into it, the more layers of the onion peel back. There's always another story to be told, and I want to make sure that we're telling all of those, that I'm telling all of those throughout the course of my life.
And coming up next half hour, we're not done yet, but coming up next half hour, there's a huge Baltimore connection to the Titanic, one that he studied, and a lady we're going to be talking about. Women were a huge part of the courage of the sinking of the Titanic, and we'll get to that next half hour. How long did it take you to build this here in Power Plant? We're in the old Barnes & Noble space of Power Plant on Pratt Street.
Yeah, 601 East Pratt. It took us about a month to put it in here, but from the minute I saw this building, this was 2 years ago, I said, this is perfect for Titanic. It's got 4 smokestacks. Titanic had 4 funnels, all the brick. It was built in 1900. Titanic was built in 1912.
You've used the bones of the old building.
We've definitely highlighted. The Power Plant has never looked this good.
No. It is absolutely incredible. It's going to be here for how many months?
We'll be here through the summer. We should be here for 6 months, and hopefully with the support of the community, we could stay longer. It took us a lot to put it in.
Oh, yeah.
We'd love to keep it here for a long time.
And I'm telling you, I want to bring Amy, I'm talking directly to you, because you mentioned you're really into the Titanic and the lore of the event and the ship, etc. This is worth every penny you're going to spend to come to it. If you Google Titanic Baltimore, it will take you to the website?
Sure, expo-titanic.com or Titanic Experience Baltimore. It's also on the Fever app, if you have a Fever app.
Got it. We're standing on the bow of the Titanic. Next half hour, we're going to board the Titanic. It is just spectacular. Back to TV Hill.
All right, Marty, I'm hearing that there's a 4-year-old Amy video somewhere where she sings the theme. My heart will go on. We're trying to get her to post
Still my favorite song ever. Yeah, got to bring that back and circulate it.
Here you go. Here we go. Amy, here you go. Here you go.
In the world.
Jack, I'm flying.
Oh, my goodness. All right, Marty, we'll see you in just a few minutes.
Let's go.
You bet.